I have no. Okay. I'll sort it again, right? 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 3, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 19. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So high will be here, low will be here, and mid will be just there actually. Because 0 plus 5 by 2 and lower value we have to take, right? Integer value. So we'll find, suppose that 19. So this number is here. No. Then next time what I will do, this low I will fix here. Just mid plus 1. Low will become mid plus 1. So here is my new low. Once my low is here, my mid will go from here to 3 plus 5 by 2, 4. Here. My new mid will come here.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
I will check. Is 19 equal to 11?
No.
Answer is no. Then again, I'll make it low, mid plus 1. So low will come here.
Last element.
Okay. And mid will also be here. Low plus half by 2 means mid will also come here. All will become same.
So
Then
what
we'll
about,
find the 19.
oh, high will also become
So
19.
high, low, and mid will be the
Oh
same.
yeah, all will come on the same. Yes,
Okay.
this was the correct. This is what is happening here. Now this code is working fine.
So basically, high is equal to low is equal to mid in the end.
Yeah, all are becoming same at the end. You're right. You got it.
Okay.
Yes. Then we are through. Let us try with some more number of elements. So it might be possible. Yeah, it's working now. It's working. Let
And
just odd and even we need to check. If it is working on, see
it
it is
is not
working on.
showing at the for the original list rate, so it's showing for the sorted
Uh,
one.
yeah, you're right. Actually, in binary search, we cannot get the original index.
Okay,
That's right.
okay,
It will always sort the elements. It will give you the sorted index.
okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, we are right. A nice notice.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to check, see, like if it is working on even number of element or not, and odd number of element or not. So it's working on both, then the code is correct. So this is so simple code, right? Binary search you learned today. Okay, let me teach you recursion briefly.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Mm.
I did not understand that in C. I will understand that in Python, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
really?
Yes. I
That's
mean,
too bad.
I understood it, but I don't know how to use those variables, right, sir? So
I
I
also don't
got like
know.
many
Don't
errors in
expect.
it.
I don't expect much from me. Write a recursive function to calculate
Factors?
factorial, not
Oh yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
factorial. Okay. I'll write something like I never wrote recursive function in Python. Let me try. Definition, factorial, and okay. Uh, 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 If n equal to 1, return 1. Else n into factorial n minus 1. That's all.
Uh,
We are done.
Sir,
Now
but
I will
how
call.
is it going to this thing again? Like factorial n. How is it going to factorial n? That's what I don't get every single time.
factorial of n is reach. Run this and see the answer. It is done or not? Done. Cover. Completed. Recursive function.
How, sir? How is it
How?
going to
Oh,
back again?
that is I don't know. No, that you should not ask me. That is not a question. How can you expect such a big question from me?
Sir, that is the only question I have about recursion functions.
I'll tell you. Let me try to explain you. This actually bit complicated thing, but let me try quickly. Okay. What will happen when we call factorial 5? So this number will come here, factorial 5, it will be factorial 5, right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
function will be something like this. This line will be expanded something like this. It will
What
come here, factorial
recursion?
5, it will check.
Oh,
N is 1,
I
no.
think I got
Then it
what's
will come to else and it will write something like this. 5 into, this line will be changed as 5 into factorial
4.
5
Okay.
minus 1, that is 4. Okay.
That function is
Means it,
big.
so what is happening? This line is expanded like this. Now this factorial, this 4 will again come here and it will check. If n is 1, no. Then again it will become like this. Next line it will be expanded like this. 5 into 4 into factorial 3. Again it will check. Is 3 equal to 1? No. So it keep on expanding like this. So here it will become 3 into factorial 2.
2
Then it
factorial.
will be factorial 1.
And 1, it's going for factorial 1, it returns
Okay.
1. What? 1, 2. Okay, okay.
So what is happening here? When it will become factorial 1, this n will be 1, right? So n is 1, then this finally will be converted as, and how it does, that is one line. We have to tell you, then it will be done. So what is happening due to this one? So what I wrote here, now I wrote here, this thing will be written here. Here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then finally, then when factorial 1 will be called, then this 1 will come again here. Okay. And how this is happening? So something is called a stack. Like a stack is what? Like internally memory stack it creates, and in that memory it keeps on putting operator and operand, like this operand and this operator. And it will take, it starts to calculate in the reverse direction. Like it will do first 2 into 1, then into 3, then into 4, into 5. So that is part of some kind of data structure that if you want to understand, that will take time. That's a whole complete chapter is there on that, how it evaluation happens. But just in short, you understand this evaluation will happen with the help of stack. Okay. So memory stack. Memory stack, like internally, any expression is evaluated using some stack. So here some additional memory stack will be taken care. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, if you want to write some more question, you can write, you can try. Let me think of some questions. Like,
Can do this for prime can we calculate prime factors with this, sir?
sorry,
Can we create a list with this, sir?
list.
Yeah, list of prime numbers or something like that.
Uh, should not use list and all.
Create
Write a
list.
function to calculate, calculate. area of rectangle kind of thing we did. So we have to think of it. Yes. Length we need to keep a static and breadth we need to keep subtracting. Like that, we have to do that. Area of rectangle. This one you can do through that.
Subtracting.
Yeah, using recursive function, you can do this. Write a recursive function to calculate area of rectangle. Likewise, we can check. Write a recursive function to reverse a string. But these questions are not required for you. Recursion is not easy thing. Okay.
Yes.
Likewise, we can do like we can print Fibonacci series also, I guess. Write a recursive function to calculate Fibonacci to print Fibonacci series. Likewise, you can do like suppose that write a function recursive function to calculate sum of digits of 5-digit number. Yeah, this is good enough, I guess. Okay.
I will try to do them, sir. I'm pretty sure I will get stuck, but I'll try to do them, sir.
Yeah, I'm very sure you can do some of them.
Sir, the only thing I think I'll get stuck is the area one, sir. I don't understand how to like subtract that to get the area.
I guess if I correctly remember, length we have to keep here and breadth we need to keep subtracting. That's
But
all. That is what we can do.
Sir,
Like suppose that, yeah, go ahead.
are these questions for me too?
No, 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 no.
if you want,
These are not for kids. These are for just big people like me.
sir. If the length
You
is
can do column sum and row sum, that's good enough. Okay, like I'm taking this one. Okay, what I will do? I will do something like 5 into,
three. Oh,
we have to multiply maybe 5 plus 5 plus 5. Like that we have to do equal to 15. So you got it.
oh,
So 3 times breadth number of times you need to do this. N plus
oh.
breadth minus 1. That's all. Like length plus breadth minus 1. And this question is written. Let me write this because you make me excited to write this question. So I'll do this one. I didn't want to do that, but because you said then LB if breadth equal to 1.
Return one. If you return one, it will show an error.
No, I have written L length.
Okay. Then one. Okay.
Because len is confusing, L is also confusing, right?
Yes, sir.
And then I will write here
Len
len
one
plus
factorial plus factorial b.
len 1 comma b minus 1. Done.
Oh.
Hey, Pranavi, I salute to you.
Why, sir?
Because you made it to do this.
Sir,
I never thought of I will ever I'll be able to write this code in my life again.
why?
But
Oh, you don't we use recursion again, sir? Like in real life?
no, it's good to learn. This is a concept, right? But I will never use. Area of rectangle.
Thank you, sir.
L B each ridge. Let's see we are failing or not. Okay, where did I miss?
Given.
Somewhere, okay, here area rectangle. Okay, there is a problem.
Yes, sir.
Now, name L is not defined.
L not
Did I use
defined.
L somewhere?
Yes, sir.
How do you know that?
Sir, I just saw it, sir. I did not notice before. I just saw it now. 3. No, it is print L that's causing the error, sir.
I know.
Oh,
I
okay.
want to make it everywhere correct. Hey, I did it. See,
Let's
I
go.
never thought of I'll be able to do this. Hey, I'm very happy on myself. Kidding. Just kidding. Did I stop recording what? I don't know.
No, sir.
Oh God, I should not be happy then.
So we can actually edit the videos if we want.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Nobody watches my video. It's not a very popular channel.
No.
Where is that gone?